A single drum beat strikes. A steady, unwielding heartbeat. Two gears of different sizes lock into this pulse. While one spins 3 times, the other spins twice. Despite their different velocities, they remain mathematically tethered, resolving and clicking back together at the start of every cycle. As the gears multiply, imagine a clock with hands moving in different dimensions. One hand marches in 4 while another advances in 5. This 5-to-4 ratio creates a sophisticated internal tension, a rhythmic tug-of-war that feels unstable, and yet remains perfectly balanced by its mathematical resolution. The structure evolves into a 3-story machine. On the ground floor, a heavy pulse of 3, in the middle, a rapid pace of 4, and at the top, a flickering pace of 5. This 5-to-4-to-3 stack creates a singular complex texture where chaos is governed by a hidden rigid order. Polyrhythms extend beyond percussion. A melody can stretch across a rhythmic frame like a second language. While the percussion grounds the piece in 4 and 3, the melody floats above in quintuplets, groups of 5. The music breathes in 2 distinct temporal planes simultaneously. Time and pitch are one. Slow high-frequency vibration down, and it becomes a beat. Speed a beat up, and it becomes a musical pitch. A perfect fifth interval is simply a 3x2 polyrhythm vibrating so rapidly that our ears perceive it as a harmony rather than a rhythm. You have navigated the friction of time. By understanding how competing pulses coexist, you have unlocked the mathematical secret behind the world's most hypnotic grooves. Thank you for watching, and until next time.